Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my week 2 update of my starter locks, how they're looking, what I've been doing, and things that I've noticed. So like I mentioned, it is my week 2 update of my starter locks. I told you guys before that for this set, I wanted to document more just so I could see the changes that my hair is going through as my hair is going through them for this journey compared to my previous journey. So this is my week 2 and how my locks are looking. All right, so that is how my locks are looking. Some things that I've noticed, I'm noticing a lot more frizz, like up here especially. I could just see, like you could just see everything that's just standing up. So there's a lot more frizz, which is expected, especially, like starting off, like I always say, in the first 3 months you go through a lot. So I'm like already prepared for that, I feel like, because I've already been through this before. So I just noticed there's a lot of frizz, and also these ends was a lot longer and a lot more straggly, but I noticed that they've been kind of like shrinking up into themselves. So I'm not too mad about that. I have been trying to keep up with my moisture routine, like I said before in the last video. So I pretty much alternate between water and my leave-in conditioner because I don't want to just put too much leave-in, but I also want to do water. So I do those, like I alternate between those two, and then I also do some oil for my roots and also the body of my hair. And I think probably because of that, that's how I've been able to like keep some of this length, because I really thought it would have shrunk, a lot more by now. But it's looking pretty much, a little bit long. So I'm not really too mad at that. That is pretty much it. I haven't really noticed anything else. For the hair, I just keep it down like this, or I like, put it in a little bun or whatever. But I just try to let the hair just let it be, just do its own thing. And that is pretty much it on just what I've been doing, what I've been noticing. So I'm going to moisturize my hair, and I'm going to, show you guys what I'm doing and how I do it. So first, I go in with my oil, and as you guys know, this is my Africa's Best Herbal Oil, Old Faithful. I've been using this since I don't even know how long. So I go in my roots, and I go in between my roots, and I also go into the body of my hair just to make sure everything is moisturized and saturated. And I also try to massage it into my scalp just in case, like I miss a few spots. And also that also stimulates hair growth, so that's also why I do that. And then I just put a little bit in my palm, and I'm going to put that in the body of my hair. As I'm doing this, some little pieces are just flying off. I will say, if you do have like little ends like this, don't cut them off. It will literally fall off on its own. You don't have to worry about it. That's why I just didn't really stress it out, because I'm like, it either fall on its own or it'll just shrink up into the actual lock. So just let it be. The next thing I'm going to be using is my Creme of Nature Invigorating Leave-In, which looks like this. I just like the smell of this. I like it. So if I don't use this, wow. So if I don't use this, I just use regular water. So that's pretty much what I do. I try to do it every day, like either morning or night, but sometimes I fall asleep or I forget because I'm like running late for work or whatever. So I try to do it like at least every other day. Like if I forget today, then tomorrow for sure I get it done, because I do notice like it looks a lot more juicy and like a lot more healthy when I do moisturize it. So I try my best to get that in at least every other day, if not every single day. I don't remember if I mentioned, but I try to do morning or night, but one of them is gonna get it. that's just that. In terms of how the locks are looking, um, aside from the things that I mentioned, I don't really see anything else. It just looks healthy. It's not really giving anything yet. It still looks like twist, like I feel like maybe like at a month and a half, then it'll start to like bud and all those things. But so far it just looks like old twist. And that's okay. It's only been 2 weeks. I'm not trying to rush up. I'm trying to enjoy it and not rush it because I know how good it can be. So I'm just trying to enjoy the moment for what it is and just go with that. So that's pretty much it for this update. It's not that much in terms of changes with the hair. It's just I've noticed just the ends, like I mentioned, and it's just a lot of frizz. Frizz is expected. I feel like in the first 3 months, I had the most frizz on my last set, so I'm expecting that again with this set. So that's okay with me. And like I always say, this is your journey. Don't compare it to anybody else's. Try to enjoy it to the best that you can because it is your hair and only you got to deal with it. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I see you in the next video. Bye.